everybody, welcome back
Hello.
to Brit Pop's React, me BP1 and BP2.
Yeah.
We're back with a bit of American humour,
Yes.
Abbott and Costello, which we've done on the channel a few times. We did Who's On First, and that was the first time reacting to Abbott and Costello, wasn't it?
Yeah,
And it was
It
was great. We'll leave, if you stay to the end of the video, we'll hit the link on the end of that one.
Thank you.
But we've, a good follow-up. Thanks for joining us if you're an Abbott and Costello fan. 2 5s for a 10. We did a poll on our channel.
We did.
On the community page, and we started to go through those, and one of those, the comments were for Handcuffs, Abbott and Costello Handcuffs, which we haven't done yet.
No, don't recognise this one.
Don't know. No,
that looks more like Laurel and Hardy coming out there.
it does, doesn't it? Yeah, looks a bit Laurel and Hardy-ish. So we'll just play it. And we'll have a little listen. Don't shout at us, but we will stop it halfway through, because obviously with copyright and breaking it up and everything, and us to have a quick chat about it, then and then we'll just carry on playing it.
Okay.
All right.
Yep.
All right. Let's go.
I'm really taking you in. I said if you don't stop fighting me, I'm going to put the handcuffs on you.
You cut out, Mike.
I'll put the handcuffs on you.
Well, put them out, but
All
don't
right,
knock
I
me around
will.
the thing here.
All right, put out your arms. Put them out.
You gonna put the handcuffs
Yes,
on like
I'm
that?
going to put them just like that.
Hey, Mike, you put the handcuffs on me like that. You know what would happen?
What would happen?
That's a foolish policeman.
What are you talking
You put
about?
the handcuffs on me like that. I say to you, bend over like that. When you bend over, I go clunk. I hit you on the head. And goodbye, Mike.
Oh, a tough guy, huh? Well, I'll show you how we handle tough guys. When we get a guy that does a thing like that, we make them put their hands behind their backs, and we put the handcuffs on them behind their backs. Watch this. I'll show you. You see that? All right, put the other one on me, will you? Put the other one on me. I'm showing you something.
Well, you don't have to be a
All right. All right.
How's that? You got it?
All right. Now let me see me do something.
You can't do nothing?
Not a thing.
Yeah, well,
Go on, ask me to do something. Ask me to get tough.
Go ahead, get tough.
I can't get tough.
Hey, that's a pretty good idea, Mike. If you did that way,
Yeah. If you'd listen to me, you'd learn some things, Costello.
I think you're right.
You bet.
I like that idea very much.
That's right. I can't do a thing. I'm helpless.
Hey.
No, can't do a thing.
How you gonna get out?
Oh, well, here, the key.
Huh?
The key. The key's on my belt there. Costello, the key's on my belt. Unlock the handcuffs and let me out. I just showed you something.
I see the key on your belt. Can you get the key?
Will you please get the key and unlock the handcuffs? Come on.
Oh, of course. I mean, can you get it?
Of course I can't get it.
Why can't you get the key?
Because my hands are handcuffed behind me. I just told you that. Now get it. Come on. All right, get the key. Get the key. Get the key. Unlock it. Will you get the key, cut? Oh, what are you true? Who are you yelling at? Hello?
Keep your mouth shut on like you haven't.
You shut up! Oh, I never thought. Get that key and get me out! Policeman.
You big dope! Wait till I go up and get Abbott and bring him down and show him how I handcuff you.
Oh, Hillary, I'm sorry. I was showing the boys how to put handcuffs behind it. Take the key and unlock them, will you? The key, it's right on my belt there. Oh, wait till I get him.
Oh, he's in for it when he comes out.
Here's the key.
Oh, thanks.
She's very glamorous, isn't she?
Oh, that's
She is
wonderful.
glamorous.
Very, very glamorous.
Oh, wait till I
Good
get
style.
that Costello.
So he's gonna put his hands behind his back, I guess.
Hello, Mike.
Hey,
Hello, Mike.
policeman.
I know that.
Biggest scoop you ever saw.
He's careful. You know
I'm not afraid of him.
You're not a
Shut up.
Come on.
Give me I'm not afraid of him.
Why is his face not red raw? That's what I want to know.
His face is red raw now. Like, he's just realised.
The one over the air.
He's just clocked it. He's just gone. He moved his hat. All right, big trouble. Okay. It's very slapsticky. Very. See some Eric and Ernie in there, didn't we? With the old.
Oh, what, the old double slap to the face?
Double slap. Yep, they
Eric
used to do that a lot.
Walker,
Yeah, Ernie
Walker
Wise.
Yeah. It was all good fun. again, it's just classic comedy, isn't it? Like way back when, and I don't know. A lot of people, even the '90s writers now are saying that comedy these days is just so. I don't know. This probably wouldn't go on now because of politically incorrect against a policeman or something. It's just that simple humour that we just don't see anymore, really. And it's quite nice to go back and watch stuff that's really inoffensive. Yeah. It's innocent. Yeah, that's the word. Innocent and fun. Nowadays, there'll be a snowflake out there going, you can't hit a cop like that. No, it's a bit of fun.
It goes, yeah. So, I mean, it's like I say, it's visually funny, very visual gag. I mean, not quite as the play on words as Who's On First. I mean, that's still the classic.
No, that was a classic. Well, we don't know yet. We haven't even got to the punchy line bit, so we so.
Yeah, still quite a bit to go.
Yeah. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Do come with us at Britpops React. It is free to join. It just means that next time you go into YouTube, you might see some more of our videos pop up, and there might be someone there that you might fancy watching. So do come with us on our journey.
Okay.
All right, mate.
Yeah. Let's see how he gets himself out of this one.
If he does.
What'd you think of that? Did you say he was what? What did you say he was?
Poor bloke.
Wait a minute. I see things. Yeah. Handcuffs.
Sure he's handcuffed. Yeah. Go slap. Come on, go slap.
Go on, slap me, Ellen. Go on, slap me.
I thought
he was handcuffed.
He is handcuffed.
My turn.
All right.
My turn.
A lot of fun.
Oh, they only done this in one take. His face.
Oh, it's just the bit of the hat like that, isn't it?
You have to be afraid of my man.
Oh, don't be afraid.
I got him all in a handcuff like that. What are you going to cover something out of your heart?
Poor bloke's face.
He's proper whacking it.
He's gone.
His laugh's turned into a cry. Do you know what? It didn't even need the end bit, did it?
Yeah, no.
I thought I was going to handcuff it, but it didn't even need it just because of the cry. That's how simple the comedy is that can be, used
very
in that
good.
way.
Classic fun japes there. Brilliant. Great to see the old ones back. I mean, kept a generation entertained for years. Those things. So
absolutely, yeah. Well, there's not a lot else, was there? Let's face it. The amount of entertainment and. You've got the streaming services, you've got online, you've got
sport for
TV channels. You've got about 200, 300 TV channels now. Back then it was just like 3 or 4, and that was it. If that, even 2, wasn't it? So
most of the time, you probably have to go to the cinema and see some of that.
Yeah, true. Yeah, cinema. Yeah, it's definitely.
There you go. Well, nostalgia.
Thanks for joining us. Bit of nostalgia there. From us at Britpops React. Until tomorrow for another reaction, do join us, come with us. Let us know in the comments if there's any more Abbott and Costello out there that you think us Brits might like. Let us know and pop the link in.
Yep.
Until then.
And finish off on a classic.
Goodbye from me.
Yeah, goodbye from him.
Classic.